Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this number, the number 79, but in French. How do you say it? How do you pronounce this word? Well, this number, that's how you spell it. Let's go through. Soixante. Soixante is 60. Dix is 10. Neuf is 9. So you essentially say soixante, which is 60, and then 19, which is 19, or 10-9, because you say 19 as 10-9 in French. Anyhow, I know it's a bit silly, but that's how French works. So overall, soixante-dix-neuf. Soixante-dix-neuf. Soixante-dix-neuf is how you say 79 in French, and now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct, free French pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.